How you doing, everybody? This is Michael Williams from Just Drains LLC, Philadelphia, and I'm back at the General Booth 2019 Wet Show. I call it the Cleaner Show, but I'm talking about the machine that we use every day, the Speedrooter XL. You got 5-inch cable, okay, 100 feet of it, but now you can put 3/4-inch cable. You just swap out the drum. It's got a 3/4 motor, but this machine just comes with so many extras. You can lock your wheels in place, so when you're running your machine, it's not running away from you. Just push that down and you're away, okay? Not only that, it's got stair climbers, okay? Isn't that great? It'll help you load onto the truck, but it'll help you get down a customer's steps. A lot of machines don't have that. General thinks about everything. Not only that, you can move this pole around. You can move it up and down 3 inches just by making a couple of adjustments on the pole. The great thing about this machine is it's very durable. On the back, if this motor does trip, you got a button right here, a reset button that you push and you're back working. We love General machines for a lot of reasons. You got a toolbox on the back, so that means you got everything you need with you when you go on the job. The frame's powder coated, so it's an easy wipe down, so your machine's always gonna look good, and it's gonna look as good as we look. But not only that, and you know I'm not done yet, this machine, okay, has an inner guide. The inner guide allows so the cable never gets bounded up, okay? A lot of machines don't have an inner guide, so that means that cable will get bounded up, you won't be able to get it out of the drum. Like I always say, General thinks about everything, but down the line, General will get you out every time.